Hello. Today's going to be a pretty easy one. I'm going to show you how to do quests/objectives. Now, me personally, I'm not too sure what the difference between those are when it comes to video games. I assume a quest is more fantasy-like, and an objective is like objective survive. I don't know. Anyway, enough stalling. Let's get into this tutorial. Alright, let's get into that. Or, let's get into this. I don't know what I'm talking about. Inside the Star GUI, add a screen GUI. Let's name that screen GUI Objective UI. Inside of that, let's add a text label. And then we'll just name the text label Objective Text. Alright, we can just drag this wherever. Let's switch the background transparency. So start to 1. Let's set the text scale. Let's tick that little box to be enabled. We'll set the text color 3 to be like white. And for fun, let's just change the text stroke transparency to be 0. Let's pick a fun font. I'm gonna go with Fundamento. That's a strange name. Alright. Testing. Yeah, it looks okay. I'll go with this font. So now we have our objective font. So we'll just set the text to be nothing. And we'll just disable this objective UI. Now inside of our objective UI, just insert a local script. We'll just name it Objective Handler. And we'll do local event equals game.replicatedStorage.setObjective and local UI equals script.parent and local text equals script.parent.objectiveText. Then we can do event on client event connect function. And we're going to put a parameter for objective. So we'll do objective. It doesn't do anything yet, but you'll see why we need that in a bit. We could just do UI.visible enabled equals true and text.text equals objective. Now this part's done. All we have to do to set the objective is insert a script into server script service. I'm not going to name it for now. We gotta do game.players added connect function. And inside of these little parentheses, I can't speak, put the parameter player. All we have to do is insert a little line of code here, print player.name. And now when the player joins, well, okay, so basically what this code does is when the player joins the game, we're getting the player, which is this parameter, and we're printing their name. So it should print RK, games. That's me. So in order to set the event, all we have to do is do local event equals game.replicatedStorage.setObjective. Set objective, not event. And we do event fire client, and the first parameter has to be the player. We want to fire me specifically. And then you put a comma. And the second thing is our objective. You know how we put objective here? And the text equals objective? The second parameter is objective. So if we do objective, find your father possible. When you join the game, our objective is set. Now, that text was kind of small, so if you want to, you could scale it up. It's up to you, it's your game. If you make it a little bit bigger and press play, you'll see that it just takes up more of the screen. You can put it anywhere, it doesn't have to be up here. And if you want it in the top corner, so you try to put it up there, you try to put it up there, you'll see that when you press play, it's down here for some reason. What you could do is inside of the UI, the objective UI, just do ignore GUI inset. Sorry, that's like a weird thing for me to read. When we press play, it should be more like at the top now. Yeah, just thought I'd show you how to do that. Now that you know how to set objectives, I'm gonna show you how to change them. So say you actually want to walk up to somebody and find your father. Well, let's insert a rig that looks just like you. Yeah, this definitely looks like my average viewer. And we'll just take this rig, place it over here. Oh, he's Michael Jackson as well, apparently. Yeah, that's okay. I'm gonna anchor this. Let's insert a part. And let's just put this around your father. We'll disable can collide. We'll anchor this part, and we'll just set the transparency to 1. We'll name this father zone. I don't know. Basically, when you touch that part, it's going to change your objective to you found your father. Or it's going to switch your objective, I mean. So what we can do is inside this script, we can add... Well, I'm not going to name this script. You should name all of your scripts, though. It's good practice. Do local part equals script.parent. Local event equals game.replicated storage dot set objective. And local debounce equals false. So now we can do part dot touch connect function, and let's add the parameter hit. Oops, not hut, hit. Nobody outpizzas the hut. Now we have the script that will run code that's inside of here every time this part's touched. So we'll just do if it dot parent find first child humanoid, then basically if this is like a Roblox character instead of a part touching a part, because like a player has a humanoid, the average part shouldn't. I'm not sure if there's any living parts out there, but yeah, if it's a if we find the humanoid, then local player equals game dot players get player new character hit dot parent, and then we can do if player just to make sure it really is a player. Then we'll fire this event. So oops, don't copy all that. Do event fire. I don't know what I was thinking. Fire client player. And now, same thing. Our second parameter is our objective. Find your real father. I don't know. And we'll just copy all this. And we'll do if debounce double equals false, then. And right here, we'll set debounce equals true. So basically, this code won't be able to run. Like, it won't spam it. So when it sets the objective, it won't set it again. Just to save on, like, your memory. You don't want to fire an event a million times. But now we have this little script where if we join the game, it's going to give us one objective. When we touch that part, it's going to give us another. So if we walk up to that part, find your real father. I forgot the objective text. We can just go objective, find your real father. That was a mirage. I think that's how you spell that. And we'll just actually delete that dude. So aim workspace find first child rig destroy. All right, now if you play this, oh my god, is that your father? I think I found a... Oh, it wasn't him. So yeah, that's a simple way to set objectives. This project will be in the description of the video in case you wish to steal all my code. Have a wonderful day.